Hello friends, assalamu alaikum and welcome to my new video. Friends, what I'm going to tell you in this video is very much interesting because in this video I am going to tell you how dark web started. So friends, let's get start our video without any delay. The dark web, also known as the dark net, is a part of the internet that is not indexed by search engines and is only accessible through specialized software such as the Tor browser. The dark web has become known for the illicit activities, including illegal marketplace, drug sales, and other criminal activities. The origin of the dark web can be traced back to the 1990s, when the internet was still in its early stages. At this time, researchers at the US Naval Research Laboratory were working on a project called the Onion Router or Tor, which was designed to protect the privacy and anonymity of government communication. The Onion Router technology works by routing internet traffic through a network of servers, each of which add a layer of encryption to the data. This makes it extremely difficult for anyone to trace the origin of the traffic or identify the person sending it. In the early 2000s, the Tor project was released as open source of software, making it available to the public. This allowed anyone to use Tor to browse the internet anonymously, and it quickly became popular among privacy conscious users. As the use of Tor grew, so did the number of websites that were hosted on the dark web. These websites were not indexed by search engine and were only accessible through Tor, making them invisible to most internet users. While some of the content on the dark web is legal, such as anonymous forums and whistleblowing sites, much of it is not illegal. Marketplace such as the infamous Silk Road, which was shut down by the FBI in 2013, become popular for selling drugs and other illicit goods. Today, the dark web continues to be a hub for criminal activity, and law enforcement agencies around the world are working to crack down these illicit activities. However, the technology that powers the dark web, including Tor, continue to be used by millions of people around the world who value their privacy and security online. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. Comment us and tell did you want the content of the dark web more. We will meet in next video. For that, take care.